Welcome to our first day of notes for Chapter 4. Chapter 4 is all about matrices, so today is just an introduction to matrices. Because it's an introduction, there's going to be a lot of definitions, so if at any point I'm moving too fast, please pause the video so you make sure that you can get the definition down. First thing I want to talk about is what is a matrix. So a matrix is a rectangular array of variables or constants, so variables x, y, constants, or numbers, in rows and columns. And below you can see a matrix that we named A. All matrices we name by a capital letter. Each value is called an element. So 1 is an element, -2 is an element, -8 is an element. The elements in matrix A, there's 6 of them. Okay, remember, pause the video if I'm going too fast. Next thing I want to talk about is how we name a matrix. A matrix is described by its dimensions. Make sure you write this down at least, even if you don't write that first part down. So we name it by rows and then by columns. So m rows and n columns is called an m by n matrix. And then we have this example below. So this example has 3 rows and 2 columns. So we say A is a 3 by 2 matrix. The element is referred to by its place in the matrix. So A of 1, 2, you're looking for the element in row 1, column 2. So this is row 1, this is column 2. So A of 1, 2 is -2. Okay, moving on to our next example. Please try this one. Pause the video right now. I want you to state the dimensions of A and then find the value of element A, which is 2, 1. Come back when you've tried the video or when you've tried the example. Okay, I hope you've actually tried this one. State the dimensions of A. It's always rows multiplied by columns. So here, 2 rows, 3 columns. So A is 2 by 3. Find the value of A of 2, 1. This means row 2, column 1. So in this case, row 2, column 1 is 9. So A of 2, 1 is 9. Okay, moving on. Equal matrices have the same dimensions and all of their corresponding elements are equal. So we have 3 examples below, and we're going to talk about which ones are considered equal matrices and which ones are not. So first one, this first example right here. Same dimensions. Dimensions of the first matrix are 3 by 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. Second matrix is 2 by 3. These are not equal. They do not have the same dimensions. Let's look at the next one. The first matrix is 2 by 2. Second one is 2 by 2. Okay, I'm good so far. Now I need to see, are the corresponding elements equal? 1 and 1 equal. 4 and 6 not equal. So these are not equal matrices. Last one. They both have the same dimensions. They're both 2 by 2. I have 5 and 5, 4 and 4, 10 and 10, -1, -1. Yes, these are equal. Okay, so here's an example. It says solve for the missing variables. I'm going to help you set up one equation, and then you're going to finish. So it says that the 2 matrices are equal. That means all of their corresponding elements are equal. So this element is going to be equal to that one. So I have 2x is equal to 14, so x is equal to 7. Please pause the video right now, set up and solve the equation for y. Come back when you finish the problem. Okay, welcome back. I hope that you have tried the problem. Y is here. This is its corresponding element then. So we have negative 7 is equal to y over 2 subtract 15. First thing I want to do is add 15 to both sides. I get 8 is equal to y over 2. Multiply everything by 2. I get y is equal to 16. Okay, last thing. You're going to have to be able to organize data in a matrix. So here we're given a table. It says organize the information in a matrix. This is probably as easy as you would think it could be. All we want to do is take the information from the table and put it in a matrix. So I have 221, 168, 187. And then copy game 2, 201, 233, 189, 185, 159, 211, 607, 560, and 587. Okay, what I would like you to do is label this matrix in some way so you know what all of these numbers mean. So here, this is player John. Here's Hideo, I don't know, that's my best guess. And here's Paulo. And then let's label game 1, game 2, game 3, and then the entire series. So later in the chapter, we're going to be organizing information in a matrix and then doing something with that matrix. Right now, we're just going to focus on putting the information in the matrix. Okay, before I leave you, I have a riddle for you. What goes around the world but stays in a corner? No cheating and looking this up online, but try to think about this and see if you can come into class with an answer for me. Bye.